Hello and welcome to Answer a Day. I'm Arjen and these are my co-hosts, this blanket, and a cold that came out of nowhere. Before we get to the answer of the day, let's look at Friday's best question. Daddy, is mine going to be as small as yours? Don't you ever ask that again or Daddy spank! What's with the dick jokes lately? Okay then, let's move on to the answer of the day. Oh, is that a challenge? Because I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it right now. That should give show some funny answers to pick from. Okay guys, that was all for today. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And until next time, I'm Arjen saying...
She has been contaminated by the spiral!
I'm actually kind of exaggerating the cold. It's not that bad.